They say people won't like it if you don't got a good beat on it. I beg to differ. I beg to differ.
What are you doing? Who, me? Yes, you. You must be the new guy. Hi, I'm the boss. Well, let me explain to you what I'm doing here. Okay, what are you doing? I'm glad you asked. This is day one. What I'm doing here is I'm using this device to input the GMOs for flavoring and other things into the products that we have here. Don't you like your things to have more flavor? Isn't that unhealthy? Can that lead to cancer and diabetes and other diseases? Healthy smelty. We don't care about health here. We're all about production. Health is for the USDA and FDA. Get it together, son. Stay in line. Okay, I don't want to lose my job. But isn't this illegal? Woo, illegal? You crack me up. We need to bring you to the next board meeting. Well, don't you think we thought about that? With a hefty sum, a little bit of lobbying, we were able to get the Monsanto Protection Act passed. There's a bill protecting us? An act? Congress passed that? When did that happen? What is it? We're not that bold to give it its own name. That would have cost too much money. In fact, what we did was we stuck it in another bill, like an earmark. And to be specific, if you want to go look it up, it was the bill to increase the debt ceiling. Genius. That's how people get bonuses and promotions. Why do you keep saying we? And you still haven't said what the bill does. Because we wrote our own bill and handed it to the Senate. It's just a stroke of genius. Just pure genius. And you want to know what it does? It prevents us from being able to go to federal court and be sued. So imagine the amounts of money we're making. We're going to save so much money. It doesn't matter about the people that are going to get sick or die or anything. None of that. Because we're going to save money. We cannot be taken to federal court. Beautiful idea. So if I understand you clearly, you're making products and planting seeds that are genetically altered that could possibly harm people, give them cancer and diabetes and other things. And the USDA, FDA can't really do anything because they can't take you to any federal courts. I know, it's genius, isn't it? It's just beautiful. When the vice president came to me and told me his idea, I told him that wouldn't work. No one's gonna fall for that. And then he told me about this one senator that was on our side. So then we decided to take the risk. And the beautiful idea has come to become reality. It almost brings tears to my eyes. How beautiful a plan this is. We have escaped the system. Are you at least going to put a label on all the food and products with GMOs? A label? Putting a label on it is just as bad as putting a skull on it. That's the FDA's job. We're not putting any label on any products. Would you eat anything that has a skull on it? So are you gonna come and help me or what? Man, I can't do that. I quit. You can't quit because you're fired. It's It's too late. I already quit. It's never too late. You've been informed. Now get engaged.